Got to work quite late this morning because I was up way too late editing YouTube videos for your entertainment. So I didn't get to bed till late. Today's project. It's quite pretty, isn't it? The way that's. Yeah. Spoke to the BMW specialist about the 5 Series yesterday, and it hasn't gone flat once since they've had it. Now, this gives me something of a problem because I'm not self-isolating, but the only people I'm getting within 2 meters of are my girlfriend and her boy, pregnant girlfriend and her boy. Now, the car's 8 miles away, and I did think about walking. That's going to take most of the day. Thought about riding a motorbike, which will probably finish me off. And then I realised I've got the trailer and it fits on the trailer. And they're gonna, when I get there, they're gonna leave the keys on the post outside. They're gonna wipe down the car. So I figured I'll take the trailer. And then it's only me that's got to get involved at all. My one mate was going to take me. I was going to sit in the back of his van with a face mask on. But this is easier. I don't even have to interact with him at all. So yeah, this is coming off. Did fail the MOT a couple of days ago before the lockdown. Basically, a rear wheel bearing, brake flexibles, a couple of other things. We'll come to that another time. So, trailer unloaded. Going on a little trip. Alright, so this little tinker has been absolutely perfect since I dropped it off. Hasn't gone flat once. Bugger. So this seemed easier. I can't go in a car with anyone, so you can't stay 2 meters away from someone in a car. This seemed the easiest way to pick it up. It was a bit rattly, but it's diesel. What are you going to do? Alright, let's get this loaded up. it up, 4 straps. Not brilliantly put on straps, but so that's the expression. Load them heavy, drive them steady. So we're going to take our time on the wheel. Hello. Realised I didn't do a finish to the BMW collection video. This is one I've still got at the house. We'll deal with this another time. I think my dad must be doing something in that garage. We're going to stay 2 meters away from each other. 3 meters at least. So, I've been using this for 2 days now. Oh, there we go. And it's been absolutely perfect. I'm going to jinx myself now, but it hasn't had a flat battery at all. It's absolutely perfect. What I've done is a bit of Corona in the boot. I got a spare battery and a socket set in case anything goes wrong with it. On that basis, nothing will probably go wrong with it. But yeah, it's back to being awesome. I've left that trim panel off as well. It's back to being awesome. I realised I did everything wrong with my 535 diesel video. Oh, I got my private plate on there now as well. What's wrong with this light? Okay. I'm going to try and do a sort of follow-up to that tomorrow. Any faults I fixed, any new ones I found, and what the next step in the 535 is going to be. But yeah, it's back. Sod you light. It's basically back to being awesome. Sorry. Corona. Not that Corona. The beer Corona. Yeah, not making light of it. I'm taking it very seriously. I know I'm doing the shopping for my parents who are both in their 69 and 70. Mother wouldn't like that. And also girlfriend, etc. So yeah, I'm having to go into supermarkets, which is surprisingly worrying. But 90% of people are staying away from you and being really good about it. But fingers crossed the situation resolved itself. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll try and do a follow-up video on this tomorrow on issues that we've fixed, ones we haven't fixed, and maybe move on to resolving some of them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.